Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito.
Yes, you guys, hi! Wow, in my last video, you guys asked so many questions. I have never had so many questions in any of my videos except for the last one. You guys even asked questions about the music. I am so happy, I am so thrilled and so grateful that you guys are so interested about my things, my stuff, my decor, my music. Thank you so much. So this video is to answer all of the questions that you guys have asked me in regards to the items, the decor, the furniture that are in the room. So yes, you guys, but you know, before I get started, I have to take a moment to welcome all of my new friends to my channel. I upload Glam Home Decor and DIY videos. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. And to my fellow Glam Squad, I know I love you. Thank you so much for all of your love and your support. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. So yes, you guys, I am gonna get started with, I guess, the shelves. They are from Amazon. I got them in a bundle deal and they were two for $285. Normal price, usually they are $164. So I got a nice little saving getting them for $285. So let me go over there and show you what's in there. In this shelf, I have this beautiful jar that I bought from Gallery. I think I paid $28, something like that. I bought it over the summer. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see it. It's very pretty. I like the golden jar and everything. It was a clearance for that price. Okay, and I got it at the end of the summer. Down here, I have these bags that I bought from Amazon. I think I have a love and hate relationship with these boxes. They came in a pack of two for I think $50, something like that. Let me show you the other one. That's the other one that's on the other shelf. And this is it. It's really nice. But what I don't like about it, it's not too bad in the big one, but in the small one, you can see the glue, which makes it look a little bit cheap. And because of that, I don't like it. But it looks really nice from far. So I would give it like 3.5 stars. Down here, I have books that I normally get from my husband's office. So whenever I need books, I just go and get them from his office. At least I'm saving money there. And the book are from Tuesday morning. They were $17 each. I like the pineapple on them because you guys know I love pineapple and pineapple means welcome. Actually, I asked that question in one of my videos. A lot of you knew pineapple means welcome. I was very impressed. Yes. Next one is this gold yellowish vase that I got from Macy's Backstage and it was for $13. I got that one a little while ago, over 3 years ago, but that's one of the reasons I like to keep my tag. And I know a lot of you ask me this question. Why do you keep your tags? Small items like that, honestly, I will not remember how much I paid and where I bought them because you know we buy a lot of these things. There's no way we'd be able to remember. So keeping my tags at least help me remember how much I pay for it, and sometimes depending on the tag it would have the name on it so I will know I got it from. So yeah, this one was from Macy's Backstage over 3-4 years ago for $13. And down here I have this picture with a really nice gold handle. It is from, I think this one is from, see, I don't have tags in this one. I don't remember, but I think this one is either from Macy's Backstage or Home Goods, and I think this one was $14. In this shelf I have this vase that I bought from Joanne and it was for $20. Okay, yeah, I know where this one came from. And some books from my husband's office, super pretty. This one is from Home Goods and it was $14. The beautiful tray, bowl or tray, whatever it is from Macy's Backstage. I think it was for $16. And I have these little glasses in it that was from Burlington for $4. And this vase, I just got it from Home Goods. I don't have the price on it, so maybe $14 or something like that. Sheepskin Wog is from Wayfair or All Modern. They are the same company. I saw a similar one on Amazon, so I'll put the link for that one. The coffee table is from Wayfair. I bought it 4 years ago. Right now it's sold out. It's out of stock. And I think I paid $250 or $300 for it. The two candle holders over here, they are from Home Goods. These are new as part of the holiday collection, and they were $13 each. The holiday candles are from Home Goods as well, but I think they were like $5 or $6 per candle. I'm gonna turn them off. The tray is from Z Gallery. I think I paid $60 or $65 for it on clearance. Super cute cake stand, which I love, is from Amazon. I don't remember how much, but less than maybe $20 or something like that. And the vase is from Home Goods as well. This vase was how much? Let me see. See, this vase was $20. And the flowers, oh my goodness, I love these flowers, you guys. They are just so pretty. Let me show you. They are from Burlington, and they were $7 for one little pack. Let's move on over here at the end tables. End tables, super cute. It's real marble from HomeSense. I just got them over the summer. I really like them. It's only $40. The candle holder is from Home Goods, $10. Battery operated candle is from Macy's Backstage. You can see it's been used up. The glitters are falling off a little bit, and this one doesn't even have the back anymore. I got them in a pack of 4, but I don't remember how much I paid for them because I bought them long time ago. This vase or candle holder, it has really nice little decor. It's from Home Goods, and it was for $10. And over here I have this candle holder is from Macy's Backstage. I think this one was $14. On the other side, it's practically the same thing, except this one has a high gloss finish to it. But this one, I bought it on clearance, and it was for only $5. The sofa, I bought it 4 years ago from Wayfair. This color is sold out. They have the blue, and I think they have gray as well. I paid $1,000 for it, but now I think it's a little bit more expensive. Okay, and the pillows, all of these 3 pillows in the back are from Home Goods. This one I just got recently during this holiday season, but this one I got a little while ago. This one was like $14 or something, and this one maybe was like $30. These little pillow cases, I got them from Amazon. I need to buy bigger insert to put on them, but yeah, they are super cute. Maybe they were like $10 or something for 2 or something like that. This love seat is also from Wayfair. I paid $500 for it. This pillowcase, just like the other one, it is from Amazon. The throw is from Macy's Backstage. I got it this season as well. Okay, in the corner I have the 2 vases. They are from Home Goods. They were $40 each. I got them over the summer. Give you guys close up. And the branches are from Home Goods. I think they were $13 per bouquet. Super nice. On the wall, I combined 2 wall art to make it one, and they are from HomeSense. They were $40 each. This table here is from Wayfair. Once again, it's another piece that I bought 4 years ago. I'm sorry to say that to you guys, but a lot of the items, I got them when I first moved in the house. Last time I checked, it was out of stock. The tray is from Burlington. I think I paid $7 for that tray from Burlington on clearance. And these little spike things are wall art. It was 3 of them. I have one upstairs, and these 2 I just put them here. They are from Home Goods. This lamp is my lamp that I got from Home Goods. It has the crystal ring on it, which you guys really like. But if you guys remember my blue teal lamp, so that's this lamp. I just removed the shade and put that white shade. Okay, here, this wall art over here is from Home Goods. Got it recently as well. I think this one was $30. The curtains are from Home Goods. It's another piece that I got 3 years ago. As a matter of fact, for me, they are too short. I need something that can go further up all the way to the ceiling. But I really like these. They have a little glitz on them. Super pretty and very feminine. The chandelier is from Amazon. I got it, of course, 4 years ago. Last but not least, the showstopper, or should I say the star of the room, is this miroir. I got this one from Burlington, and I think it was $100. And this little one that I got on the side are from my Family Dollar store, maybe for like $5 or $2 or something like that. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. Quick thing, Lori Comb, if you're watching this video, you are the second winner for my giveaway. Please put a comment below. Let me know that you got the message and that you are ready to receive your gift. I haven't heard from you. You only have one more day for you to respond, otherwise I'm gonna have to choose somebody else. Please don't leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. Please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Glam Style with Dalou. I thank you for spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you. Bye.